Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading. This is our evening newsletter. Starting with this disclaimer, all signals and trading opportunities that we provide are for educational and demonstration purposes only. Everyone should understand that participating in trading involves substantial risk, and a person can lose a substantial amount of money. Always carefully consider your financial position prior to trading, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. And I hope you will pardon my sore throat. Now, a few days back, I recommended EOG as a purchase. These are 80-minute candles, and you can see at the time, EOG was in a tight consolidative pattern. Since that time, it is breaking out. It has eclipsed its swing high. Now, it hasn't quite made it all the way through, but it is being flagged as a new 52-week high at 93.43. And I think you're in a tremendously powerful position right now to get in and buy it if you haven't done it already. Missing EOG is going to be a real opportunity that I personally believe you're going to regret. Now our correlative markets is green. Our multi-time frame Laguerre, our MTF Laguerre is just turning. Our chart Laguerre is green, and our confirmation is green. We're looking for a long trade here, and you should be too. Now, the second recap stock is PayPal. And we went short PayPal based on unusual options activity. Unusual options activity tells us that traders know something that we don't know. There was tremendous UOA. We shorted PayPal, and PayPal today is down $15. It's in negotiations to buy Pinterest. Pinterest is on the fly to the upside. And Netflix closed down, PayPal closed down $12.50 on those negotiations. We closed our position quite quickly and really made bank on this. This is a great example of how the tremendous number of short traders in that UOA knew that something was going to happen. They probably knew about these negotiations. They were announced today formally, and PayPal took a real massive fall to the downside. We closed this position for a really, really nice profit. Last position we're going to look at today is MLYF. It is Western Magnesium Corporation. There was big news today out of China that due to energy problems, they're going to be really shutting down the vast majority of their magnesium production. Now, magnesium is required for the creation of aluminum, and China supplies about 85% of all the aluminum, of all the magnesium in the world. This has led to a dramatic rise in stocks that are devoted primarily to the production of magnesium. Now, you can see that Western Magnesium really took a shot up. It went from 4 cents to over to 6.66 cents. I still think it has a long way to run as the aluminum shortage tightens and potentially China shuts down more of their magnesium production. Now, magnesium is a unique metal. It has a very short half-life. It can't be stored because it oxidizes. So after it's mined, it has to be used fairly quickly, or else it winds up degrading. So we've got a tremendous opportunity here to ride a penny stock up, I think, a significant amount. We made a huge amount on PayPal. EOG is heading our way hard. We're in both, obviously, PayPal is closed and banked. EOG is evolving heavily. We're heavily in the green. And I would still recommend, because we haven't gotten in yet, we're going to be moving into Western Magnesium Corporation. Have a wonderful evening. Hopefully my throat will feel better and I will be able to talk tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.